Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everything's going great. Welcome to a new WeBuilding video. Today we bring you a new 3D creation for your home, a new designer lamp. I hope you enjoy what you're about to see. As you can see, this is a hanging lamp. The design has a contemporary touch with organic and artistic elements. The lampshade has a cylindrical shape, made up of a cutout pattern of curved lines and irregular forms, reminiscent of intertwined branches or cellular structures. So if you want to see how it's made, stay here with us because I'm going to show you everything. Hello again, dear friends. In this video, as you can already see, we're presenting a new project for your home, something that will bring your personal touch and the spirit of do-it-yourself into your space. It's the kind of piece that will definitely catch people's attention when they visit, and will probably become a topic of conversation. As you can see, our design concept has been conceived using only 3 printed parts, a central cylinder and 2 disc-shaped covers. Here we see the base disc or lower part. Both discs feature upward-facing tabs with pre-drilled holes. These are for inserting threaded insert nuts, which we'll look at shortly. The top piece is identical to the base, except for the central hole. And finally, we have the cylindrical and drum-shaped centerpiece, which of course has holes along both the top and bottom edges for attaching the 2 cover discs we just described. Let's get started. Head over to our website at webuilding.com and download the files so you can print the lamp parts. You'll find the website link in the video description. We remind you that it's all very easy. Just register to gain access to all our downloadable designs. What are you waiting for? Come on, join the WeBuilding community now. It's completely free. As you can see, we already have our printed pieces ready. The 2 discs, the base and the top cover, as well as the central cylindrical drum. So let's move on to assembly. The assembly process is very simple. We'll just need some threaded insert nuts, M8 on the outside and M5 on the inside, and finally M5 round head screws, 12mm in length. We'll start by screwing the threaded inserts into the holes located along the edges of each lamp disc. Then we'll assemble each disc and secure them with the screws. We'll begin by attaching the lower disc. Then, before fixing the upper disc, we need to install the light bulb pocket into it. This is very easy. Just unscrew the socket's top ring, feed the cable through the central hole of the printed part, and screw the top ring back on, above the upper disc. Once the socket and bulb are attached to the top disc, it's ready to be screwed onto the lamp's central drum. The next step is to mount the lamp to the ceiling. For this, we've printed a canopy system to hide the cable connections. This consists of 3 pieces: the outer canopy cylinder, the ceiling mounting ring, and a zigzag-shaped cable grip ring. Its installation is also very simple. It works with a bayonet twist lock system that secures the canopy. So we feed the bulb cable through the hole at the bottom of the canopy, then we thread the cable through the zigzag ring so that it locks into place. This ensures that the weight of the lamp doesn't cause it to slip or move downward. The next step is to screw the mounting ring to the ceiling. Now comes the time to make the electrical connections. We need to be extremely careful here and follow all safety precautions to avoid the risk of electric shock. Turn off the breakers or RCDs on the electrical panel for the corresponding circuit. Once this is done, we can safely connect the power cables, connecting the power supply wires. Finally, to hide all the ceiling cable connections, we attach the canopy to the ring secured to the ceiling. With a counterclockwise twist, we lock the bayonet system in place, and the lamp is now fully installed. So, dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll soon visit our website. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can download all the files completely free to print the parts for this lamp. And not only this lamp, we're building a website where we'll keep uploading brand new, totally free designs for all WeBuilding subscribers to download, including these upcoming designs I'm hinting at right now. So if you're interested in those as well, let us know in the comments. If this video reaches 1,000 views, we'll upload the downloadable files to our website. We look forward to seeing you in our next creation. Visit us at webuilding.com and subscribe. The more subscribers we have, the more motivated we'll be to create new designs.